Hello, my beautiful people. Thanks for visiting Docentes DigitalesTV. In this video, we're going to do the feedback session for our previous episode. If you're here for the first time, I recommend you watch the last video where we talked about the Grammy Awards. Now we're going to test what you've learned. Let's begin. Are the Grammy Awards the biggest event in American television? No, they're the biggest event in American music. Are the Grammys organized by the Recording Academy? Yes, they're organized by music industry professionals. Can anyone vote for the Grammys on social media? No, only Recording Academy members vote. Does every song automatically qualify for a Grammy? No, songs must meet specific standards and release dates. Is Album of the Year one of the Grammy categories? Yes, it's one of the most important awards. Are the Grammy trophies shaped like a guitar? No, they're shaped like a golden gramophone. Do the Grammys include live performances by top artists? Yes, the show features major performances every year. Have the Grammys played a role in cultural and social discussions? Yes, they've helped highlight diversity and important issues. Is winning a Grammy considered a small achievement? No, it's one of the highest honors in music. Do the Grammys celebrate music from only one genre? No, they celebrate music from many different genres. Be sure to watch this video again to reinforce what you've learned, and subscribe to our channel so you never miss another episode in this incredible series about English and American culture. See you in the next adventure.